Hello everyone. Let us understand the further use of section formula in some questions. So here is the question which says that if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then we have to find x and y. Now to proceed for this question, we need the diagram first. So let's draw the diagram. Now in this diagram, we had constructed a parallelogram and all the 4 coordinates are made. Now we have to find out the values of x and y. Now to find out the values of x and y, we have to find a relation between these all coordinates. Now just see that if I construct something, if I join the diagonals AC and BD, you will find out that diagonals of a parallelogram are bisected by this point P. So we can say that this P point divides AC in the ratio 1 and 1 and BD in the ratio 1 and 1. Or we can directly say that P is the midpoint of AC and BD. Now since we know that the point P is dividing AC in the ratio 1, 1 and BD in the ratio 1 and 1, so we can apply the section formula. Section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now in place of m1 and m2, we can put 1 and 1 since P is the midpoint of AC. So this section formula will be modified into x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2 for finding the coordinates of any midpoint. Now let's use this midpoint formula to find the coordinates of P by using A and C first. So we can write down this as x1 is 1 here, x1 plus x2 is x whole upon 2 and comma y1 is 2 here and y2 is 6. So it will be 2 plus 6 by 2. And if we solve this further, we'll be getting x plus 1 by 2, comma this will be 8 by 2, so we can write down 4. So these are the coordinates of point P by using A and C. Now we can again find out the coordinates of P by using B and D, since it is also the midpoint of B and D. So again we can apply the midpoint formula. So this will be x1 is 4 this time and x2 is 3, so this will be 4 plus 3 by 2, comma y1 is y and plus 5 upon 2. So we can solve it further. This will be 7 by 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, and this will be y plus 5 by 2. And now if you will observe, these both the coordinates are for point P, so these should be equal. So we can equate the x coordinates and the y coordinates. X plus 1 by 2 will be equals to 7 by 2 and this 4 will be equals to y plus 5 by 2. So let's equate them and get the value of x and y. So x plus 1 by 2 will be equals to 7 by 2. 2 will get cancelled and we can take 1 on the right hand side. So x will be equals to 7 minus 1, or we can say x value will come out to be 6. Similarly, let's find the value of y. So we can equate 4 equals to y plus 5 by 2. Just cross multiply. This will be 8 equals to y plus 5. And from here we can get the value of y to be 3. So by applying this midpoint formula, we can calculate the coordinates of any midpoint, and here we had calculated the value for x and y, and we can also write down the coordinates of P by putting the value of x in this equation and y in this equation, and you will find out that the coordinates of P will come out to be 7 by 2, 4.